I don't know if it's appropriate for like the outfit that I'm gonna wear. So I'm wearing this underneath. Then I'm gonna put on, it's called a punch, something like that. I honestly do not pronounce it. I'm not actually trying to butcher it. So I'm going to wear that. So I'm gonna be taking pictures for my friend, like she knits, you know. So yeah, she asked me to take pictures for her. But I don't know what's up with the hairstyle. I'm gonna do. How did I do this one? Yeah, just giving me like baddie emo vibes. I don't even know, chow. I know when last I did black lips, but anyways, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go outside, take pictures before like the sun goes down. That's just like upper body. So yeah, I'm gonna do that for her, and then most probably send them to her, and then yeah. So let me show you guys thing. So this is what I'm gonna take a picture of. But this is the small, you get me? So it's gonna be like, I chose to wear black underneath because I feel like it's gonna pop more with black. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then my hair, I'm gonna keep it down. I don't wanna tie it up. I'm gonna keep it down. Yeah. And so let's go do that. Anyways guys, I got this tea. Let's try it out. I'm trying it out for the first time.
Got the kick.
Anyways guys, don't mind this. I tied my hair with my own hair. You get me? Yeah. So anyways, I just finished making my tea. Quickly went out to the shops to go buy it. Because I've been meaning to try it. Gay, rose petal, and vanilla chamomile. So yeah. Cheers. Guys, I love tea. First, okay, I still love coffee, but thing is with coffee, like when I'm on my periods, the pains are excruciating, okay? And like it's because of caffeine and caffeine. Caffeine. I need to stop laughing. But anyways, yeah, so I've decreased my intake on that. When last though. But anyways, as I said, I'm gonna clean up my table, take everything to the garage. Honestly, I'm just gonna put it on the fridge, and then yeah, they'll make a plan. So it's that, and then this flower is greenery is going to sit nicely. It looks so pretty. Yeah, it's gonna sit so nicely. And I must clean my lips. It's making me dark. Gotta wait again. I'm going to guys, and I'm gonna need these things, but like it's gonna be like this. On Talohan, there's a fly. Lord have mercy. What's any name? So yeah, this, I don't know, I need to put this thing properly. This is my, I think I showed you guys. There we go. Bonolo Sweet 16. It's upside down. There we go. I showed you guys. But yeah. This, I don't know. I think I'm gonna take it to the office. Yep. So this is how it basically looks. This is my study table. Officially collect my glasses after 25 working days. Feels like it, but yeah, so let's go get the period. Ooh, Mr. Clever Boy.
Swinging in the backyard, pull up in your fast car.
I don't think you guys understand the level of excitement. Like,
I'm in his favorite sundress, watching me get undressed. Take that body downtown.
I'm coming back.
I say you the bestest, leaning for a big kiss. Put his favorite perfume on, go play a video game. It's you, it's all for you. Everything I do, tell you all the time. Heaven is a place on earth with you. Tell me all the things you wanna do. I heard that you like the bad girls, honey. Is that true? It's better than I ever even knew. They say that the world was built for two, only worth living if somebody is loving you. Baby, now you do. Swinging in the backyard, pull up in your fast car, whistling my name. Open up a beer and you say get over here and play a video game. I'm in his favorite sundress, watching me get undressed. Take that body downtown. I say you the bestest, leaning for a big kiss. Put his favorite perfume on, go play a video game. It's you, it's all for you. Everything I do, tell you all the time. Heaven is a place on earth with you. Tell me all the things you wanna do. I heard that you like the bad girls, honey. Is that true? It's better than I ever even knew. They say that the world was built for two, only worth living if somebody is loving you. Baby, now you do. Swinging in the backyard, pull up in your fast car, whistling my name. Open up a beer and you say get over here and play a video game. I'm in his favorite sundress, watching me get undressed. Take that body downtown. I say you the bestest, leaning for a big kiss. Put his favorite perfume on, go play a video game. It's you, it's all for you. is a place on earth with you. Tell me all the things you wanna do. I heard that you like the bad girls, honey. Is that true? It's better than I ever even knew. They say that the world was built for two, only worth living if somebody is loving you. Baby, now you do. I pull up in your fast car, whistling my name.
Today is what's today? Today's Saturday. I'm hosting my friends. You get me?
Please bring my phone.
So currently I'm at Mending to come and buy a few things that I will be needing. So yeah. It's so noisy in here. Yeah. Like there's honestly a lot going on. Anyways, yeah. See you guys. Hi. To the video. So I'm doing like crepes. Isn't it so hard? She's doing the cheese. Oh guys, and these are our welcome drinks that I made. Yeah. topping, and also bacon. So guys, basically guys, I'm dust. Why do I look so white?
You're white in general. It's you.
It's the water. Oh guys, you're like lucky, but it was such a nice day.
Very wholesome. Very peaceful.
Our artwork so stunning.
Chef's kiss. It was a journey.
Yo, and the pizza actually came out so nice, fantastic. So it's the end. I'm tired. I can't comprehend in the brain.
She looks so tired.
Do you guys get that? Like, I'm tired. Like, I'm dust. Like, when they leave, go better and better. I'm going to hit my bed and sleep. And just sleep till tomorrow. And look so refreshed in the morning. Get me? And my body is so... That's another... Okay, bye guys. I don't know, should I end my video like this?
Yes.
So next
Be
time.
real.
Yeah, so next time I'm being real. Like more.
Where's my anklet? It's there by the
gone.
pool. Oh, it's by the pool. Everything is by the pool.
Okay, bye. Good night.
You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change if I had it my way.
Focus thinking. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, how we do. So guys, this video is in reverse. I'm doing my intro now because I was editing and I realized I don't have an intro I've started this bad habit of not doing intros. But anyways, today is the 10th of Feb. So I'm going to unplait because child, I've had this hairstyle for a minute. Yeah, it's time to let go of the December hairstyles. Okay, it's time now. It's honestly time. And so I think maybe unplait some parts with you guys because I'm braid. I'ma just quickly snip, guys. But I really loved it. It was giving, and also it was different colors. If you guys didn't notice, yeah, there are different shades of brown. But anyways, like I look so dark. I need to stop looking at my skin every time I am taking videos because like I swear I always say like look. But anyways, sorry about that. Yeah, this video is very cool. But you guys, and now I don't even know like where am I gonna put this section? Am I gonna put it in the front? Like understanding situation itu kalau kobel did I understand the matter? Please understand it. But anyways guys, let's unplait because I'm sick and tired of this. I think I also might just do my own hair, like braids, like plait myself braids. You know why? Because situation. You see, I'm trying to be like a reasonable child because if I plait now, I'm going to unplait soon because I need to do like a lipondo and it's not yeah, you see. So I'm being a reasonable child and so I'm doing my own hair. Guys, thank the Lord I know how to do my own hair. Chill. I don't have time to be doing crazy things, but I'm gonna do braids, but not this small, but like yeah. I saw this other video where basically you mirror your phone on the TV and then after that I can see like the back of my head while opening lines. Yeah, so we're gonna do something like that basically. And I got those like rectal combs, but these are rectal when I one understand that at the end of the day. So yeah, okay, but I was just telling you guys that I am here to unplait my hair. It's Friday. I don't go to a youth today. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. And then depending if I don't think so. It's like 7. So tomorrow I'm going to wash my hair. And then yeah. Whew. I'm so sorry. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to wash my hair. Then either do a slick back or I'm gonna do my hair. Yeah. Or one thing we're not keeping is an afro. You see, this video is long. It's 3 minutes now. Okay, bye. Hello guys. I don't know if I should say hello guys. Welcome back to my channel or what, but I think I'm gonna just continue from yesterday's video before I'm plaited. So yeah, this is my hair. It hasn't been washed. I'm going to the salon today to go wash it because yeah, it's off. So today outfit, it's just sweatpants honestly with this bodysuit. Let me show you guys. Sweatpants, bodysuit, Crocs. It's giving body. It's giving body. But anyways, so currently I don't know guys, ever since I got 2 pairs of glasses, I'm just alternating like which pair today. Oh, this is like the case. Yeah. Oh, and I removed my nails. So this is love. Okay, yeah. I don't know. This is the love. Maybe I might just wear these. Or I love this for me, like Or these ones, I don't know. But I feel like once my hair is down, because it's gonna be down, like those ones will be nice. Even these ones, but yeah. Let me tell you guys, these ones I really got them because I had shades similar to these, right? Like sunglasses, but then I lost them at the beach, so yeah, I just had to come back because I feel like I can wear these anytime, anyway. You get me? And like these ones, okay, there's something similar actually, but those ones that I lost were clear. They were like this basically. I'll try to find a picture and show you guys. So these, I also like wearing these in the mall. It's interesting, like people just look at you and be like, who does she think she is? I'm like, go. I am the girl I think I am. You get me? Oh yeah, exactly. But anyways, I always do this thing of wearing a lot of shit. But okay, currently I think I'm gonna go make food to eat, guys. It's so nice and early. I'm sure it's not even 10 yet, and I'm being very productive. I told myself over productive. So just for interest sake, today's scent. Wonder Rose. Why does it look like I'm pushed up? Wonder Rose. Yeah, it's just a nice sweet scent for this rainy day. You get me? I know you do. I know you do. So yeah. Anyways, most probably bag of the day. Just guys, I'm obsessed with that bag. But let me stop rambling. After making food, maybe I'll show you guys, but after making food I'll catch you guys. ungathi uyangithanda makube intando yakho angifuni ukuhlukumeza oh ay 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 kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje ay kathela kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje thanda umuntu kanje ngingasusela izintaba ungathi uyangithanda makube intando yakho angifuni ukuhlukumeza oh ay 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 kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje ay kathela kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje thanda umuntu kanje ngingasusela izintaba ungathi uyangithanda makube intando yakho angifuni ukuhlukumeza oh ay 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 kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje ay kathela kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje kaze ngamthanda umuntu kathanda umuntu kanje thanda
It's giving length, baby. Length, baby. Yeah. Can I stop, baby?
Rishwila Jed. Rishwila, Sfila.
Levona.
Level.
Talk to me nice, okay? It's a like a week every day. I get to go to what the ghost bond glue motor. One call on you.